Hello friends, my name is Sia and today we will be making this beautiful paper house. So let me just give you a tour of how this house looks like. So we have the decoration, the door, the roof. From the side view, the roof is coming out and we have a blank side. This is the other side, same thing. And now we have the back. It's just all plain, so nothing falls out. That is what we'll be making today. And these are the materials needed. We will need these two pieces of paper. The paper size, this paper size, the green one, would be 10.5 times 6. This is 10.5, and then this would be 6. And then for the gray, paper, we would need 2.5, and then 8.5 here. So we need 2.5, 8.5, and then this is for the roof, and we will be needing some other materials too. We'll be needing this scoreboard that I have where my papers are lying. We will need this pencil, the scale, the scissors, the glue stick, my scorer so that I can score where I want to fold. And we'll also be needing some other decorations, which I will be telling you later. So, come on, let's get started. Okay, now let's begin scoring. So, you can get your 10.5 by 6 paper. So I'm going to first, using my scorer, I'm going to first score at 3, big and thick. Now I'm going to score at 5. Just going to finish scoring there. I'm also going to need to score at 8. I'll also be scoring at 10. Now that we have those in, we're going to turn it like this so that the folds are all horizontal. And now we are going to be doing a vertical line at 2.5 exactly in the half. Or something like that. And then now we had our paper like this. Now we're going to turn it like this with all of our marks down. So here I'm going to mark at 1.5 and then at 6.5 with my pencil. Now I'm going to, from there, make a little line here. And then there, I'm going to make another line. There we go. I made the line there. And now I'm going to, at the 6.5, I'm going to make it here. And then here, I'm going to make it here. Perfect. And now we have the two triangles ready. That is going to be where we glue our roof. These two lines here, all of this, we are going to be cutting out those. So now that we have our cutting things out, so I'm going to just slide this over, and then I'm going to take these shapes out. Only the triangles and the bottom part, the entire bottom line, should be left. Now we are going to fold it here. As you see, I have flipped it over and made a door here. We are going to leave this part here, that way we can open and close it. We will crease it later. But now we are going to fold here, starting from here. I'm going to fold my crease. 1, 2. I'm going to fold my other crease. 1, 2. Go. And then we're going to start from here and fold the other side. 1, and then this side. And then here. Now, I have my house here. I am going to grab my glue stick here. And I'm going to glue, and I am going to flip it over and close this. I'm going to grab my scissors, and where I made my 2 marks, I will be cutting this. Leave the other side open so that we can crease it. Now, we will leave it like this. And now where it was, we will open it like this. We will crease it here Now that we have a door that opens and closes. Now, we will open our glue sticks and we will glue the house together by this little piece. Now I'm going to measure this here. It has to be exactly against the wall or it'll look like the cement is not equal. So here I'm going to measure the wall exactly where it is. I'm going to fold it there. And then it's a beautiful 3D house now. And now we're going to put it this side and our gray sheet of paper that we had. You can use any kind of roof you want. We chose gray. So now we are going to put it like this. In order to do that, we will need our glue stick. And we will add some glue here. Since this is a glue stick, we will be adding a little bit more glue. Go. Let's add some glue there. And then for this side. Glue there. And glue here. Now, we will put our glue stick aside and put on the lid. And now we will put on our roof. Make sure to hold it for a little while, that way the glue can connect with the paper. It will hold it for a little bit. Okay, now we've let go, and now that the roof has dried, I will be adding a few decorations. I'll be needing my glue stick. So here I have this little ornament here. You can use stickers to decorate if you want. I am using papers. So I have this green here. And now if you see here, let me just move this house. Here, I will be gluing this right here so that the reef is covering the main part of the ornament. I have a snowflake to put in the middle. I will put this snowflake right here. Now I will flip this over. Now I will put lots of glue on the back so it will stick on our house. Now I will lay this down, and now I will stick this right here. There we go. Oh. So here I'm just going to adjust it here. It fell down. So I'm going to adjust it and put it right in the middle. You can put your hand here for support because the door is open. So it is there for support. And now, this is how the house will be looking like now. I will close my glue stick. And these are the houses I built previously. The light green one is the one we built together. These are the houses that I built previously. And I hope you enjoyed making this with me. And I hope you stay tuned for the next episode. Bye-bye.